Okay, so I came up here to look for an air mattress, and I found the boys trying to strap each other to the engine lift using a horse cinch. So let's go see. What you guys doing?
I'm bringing a hoist up you, brother, like Superman. Come on, Superman.
And I already told you we bought that at a garage sale, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So what are you gonna do?
Aftermath of Chili Chomp. This is the Mythbusters.
What, I got nothing to hook it onto here.
Oh, well, just hook it onto the cables and the
Coverage on this. Can I get ass crack coverage?
Yeah.
Christ.
Your wiener's gonna be hanging out.
Hey.
I'm Superman!
Can he stand?
I'm Superman! That doesn't make me feel very good!
Do the hand buster.
Over here.
What?
That's nice. Okay, he's going red.
Ooh!
Try to stand up.
Try to stand up.
Dude, you're not gonna be able to.
I can't stand up. Alright, that does the job. I'm done. Let me down. Hey! Let me down or I'll kill him.
Let him down.
Let me down.
We gotta move the rocket chair.
Oh, wait, we gotta move the rocking chair. Wait a second.
Guys, let him down before we had to clean it up.
Oh, how do we get him down? Jesus Christ.
Let me down. Stop it. No. Let me down. Let me down.
Oh man.
You asshole. Kevin, I'm never gonna be clean with this.
I'll never let you forget.
Oh God, it hurts so good.
You totally asked for that. You wanted to do that.
Oh God.
No, I didn't want you to fucking try and take a picture of my ass crack.
Oh my God, that was so funny.
It's a good thing we had this extra pony girth. Oh, your girth fell off.